Good afternoon. My personal information. My name is Jorge Rey and I'm a topographer. I was born at Barcamea, Santander, Colombia and living at Bucaramanga. I'm 51 years old. My favorite hobby is watch movies that has social content. My favorite sport is volleyball. I'm living with my wife and two daughters. I'm studying industrial engineering. My favorite food is the fish. My favorite TV show is Enlace. Where do you watch? And to study the God War every day. My family. This is my first family, but I am not living with them. My father, his name is Jorge. He had a transit accident and died in February 2000. In this moment, he could be 74 years old. I miss to him. My mother, her name is Betty Maldonado. She is 72 years old. She is an economist. She is from Bucaramanga. My mother is very sweet. She is tall. Her eyes are honey and she has gray hair. She worked 20 years in the maternity clinic San Luis. I have two brothers and one sister. William, my brother that followed after me, he is William Ray. He is 50 years old. He is a mechanical engineer. He is from Barcamea, Santander. My brother is serious. He is tall. His eyes are brown and he has black hair. Now he has a company of engineering. And ordered my sister after of William. She is Sonia Ray. She is 48 years old. She is an economist. She is from Barcamea, Santander. My sister is very happy. She is tall. Her eyes are honey and she has blonde white hair. Now she is living with her husband and daughter at Medellin. My last brother is Cesar Rey. He is 42 years old. He is an economist. She is from Bucaramanga. My brother is very competitive. She is tall. His eyes are brown and he has short hair. He has a taxi company. My family. So, to continuation, I describe the family that live with me. My wife is Adriana Benavides. She is 48 years old. She is an administrator. She is from Chaparral, Tolima. My wife is very beautiful. She is tall. Her eyes are honey. She has brown hair. Now she is at home with my two daughters. My daughters, her name is Daniela. She is 26 years old. She is mechanical engineer. She is from Bucaramanga. My daughter is very intelligent. She's like the mathematics. She's medium. Her eyes are honey. She has blonde white hair. Now she is preparing for to travel and perfect her English pronunciation. My minor daughter, his name is Gabriela. She is 25 years old. She has a practical condition cognitive. She's from Bucaramanga. My daughter is very intelligent. She likes the music and manual arts. She is tall. Her eyes are brown. She has black hair. Now she is working fashion design with her uncle because she has fashion store. Thank you. Bye.